You haven't spoken to your sister at all?
No, but she texted me when we were off the phone and said if the cops call you, don't answer.
Everybody's lying. Everybody in the whole world's lying.
On August 25th, 2024, a mother was confronted after abandoning her daughter for hours. Her desperate attempts to lie her way out didn't last long.
I was outside with my mother-in-law. I'm standing over there where the light is in front of the house. This little girl comes outside and she's looking for her mom. She's crying. At first I thought that something was wrong with her mom, but she went back in the house, so I figured, oh, the mom is home. She came back out saying that her mom is not here and she's home by herself and she's scared. Her mom told her to stay in the house, she'd be right back, and she was scared. So now I don't know what to do. I didn't want to just I don't know who she is. I know how things are these days with kids, and so we called just to make sure that everything's okay.
Okay. Hello. How are you?
Good.
Good. Are you home alone? Yeah, that's okay. We're here. What house do you live at? Just show me. Just point. Which one? That one?
Yeah,
You're in which grade?
I'm going to first grade and I'm at
Oh, okay.
Look.
Okay.
It's our house.
That's your house?
Look. 2 police cars.
Yeah, I know,
And
right?
they're very tall.
I know. Here, I want you to stay here with her real quick. She
I'm
wants.
gonna go with them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you go. You do that.
Play with this photo.
Sure.
My mom has her mom's number.
Okay. Yeah. I'm not trying to call her right this second yet.
Okay, but you want me to get you the number, right?
Yeah, I will in
Okay.
just a minute.
My mom
Okay.
lives down there.
If you
So.
want to just give her.
Look at her mom's always taking off all of this.
Okay.
This is so, my heart is racing. I'm so sad.
How long is mom normally gone?
She'll sit in her car for hours. Her mom's dying of cancer.
Her mom's dying of cancer. Okay.
She sits in the car for hours, but most of the time the baby's with her, but a lot of the time she's
Okay. Where?
Right there. That's what they're telling me. This is mom's car that's coming in right
Okay. Hello. Your mom?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What was your first name?
Kirsha.
Kirsha? Okay. Yeah, she's home alone?
No, that's my sister's house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where is mom at then?
I'm mom, but my
Oh,
sister, that's my sister's house.
Is sister there?
She was supposed to be there. Where is she at?
Was she there when you left?
Yes.
Why are you parked over here?
Because this is my friend's house. Right here.
Do you know the address number?
What's your address?
Here, can you step out and have a quick conversation? We're trying to figure out what's going on here exactly.
What's your address? Apparently Nicole had left. Yeah, so the police is out here.
Who's Nicole? You say your sister?
Yeah.
Okay, and she lives with you?
Yeah. Me and my daughter sleep at her house.
Dude, when was the last time you spoke to Nicole?
About 2 hours ago, before I left. Basically, sometimes we sleep at her house.
You said your daughter originally stays in Northport?
She originally stays in Northport because I was incarcerated, basically. So she was staying at her dad's mother's house.
Oh, okay.
My sister moved in here. Since then, I've been deciding, it's best for us to sleep together. But I stepped out. So my sister's not here.
So your sister's not here?
Apparently.
All right.
You say my daughter is alone.
Yeah. Who's on the phone right now?
My friend that live right here.
Yeah. What's let me grab a pad of paper. I'm gonna grab Nicole's number real quick, if it's all right. All right. Hi, is this Nicole?
Who's this?
This is Deputy Chandler, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. I was hoping to just speak with you. Are you at home at Northport? Or the Centennial area?
No.
No? Where are you currently at, if you don't mind me asking you?
I don't live in Northport.
No. Centennial is in Port Charlotte, ma'am.
I don't live over there either.
Oh, what's your... Okay, we're just trying to figure out... there was some miscommunication with your sister or something like that. What's your current address, then, if you don't mind me asking?
Can you tell me what this call is about? I'm sorry.
It's about... Yeah, I'm sorry. I guess someone was supposed to, set up plans to watch your niece. So that's all we're trying to figure out. So I just want to make sure I got to speak to the right person.
Is she okay?
Yeah, no, everything's okay. We're just following up as all. Nope, she's perfectly fine.
I live at
Okay, perfect. All right. See, that lady doesn't even live there. Yeah, I said, where are you at? I live in I said, what were you doing? I'm sleeping. Were you supposed to watch your niece? Oh. So that's a bunch of shit. She gave me a completely different address. I guarantee she doesn't know those people in this apartment complex or whatever. She's probably texting her sister and like, hey, don't talk to the cops or whatever. Hey, I'm just going to get if you don't mind, just going to speak with her real quick. All right, so I'm just going to get a quick statement just so we have everything, because every time we get called to something, we have to document it. What happened, and just so we can have something to say what took place and how this ended up being the way it is, okay? I do have to ask first question. You're not on the influence of drugs or alcohol, right? Okay. Do you know the meaning of perjury?
Yeah.
Okay. Perjury is committing lies, false information, leaving out truths, half-truths, anything like that. So it's just a crime in the state of Florida.
Yeah.
Okay. Having that said, would you raise your right hand? We swear affirm the statement you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Okay. Just kind of take me through what you were telling me earlier about the whole situation with your daughter and like how that all...
Basically, I left at about 9 o'clock. This is my sister's house. It's just been a lot of family issues.
Okay.
So basically, I left for a few hours to go do a couple things. And you guys approached me saying that, am I Kevin's mom? Yes, I'm Kevin's mom. Saying that she's by herself. I had no knowledge that she's by herself.
Okay.
So basically, my daughter is by herself. You guys won't let me go over there where she's at, nothing like that. And I'm very angry right now.
No, I get that. We just had she's over there with a deputy. We just have to get a couple things from you or whatnot.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's your sister's address?
Correct.
And how long has she lived there for?
Almost a year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Almost a year? All right. And what kind of car does Nicole drive?
Honda.
It was here when you left?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't sleep at her dad's father's house. They won't allow me to. So therefore, I only have my sister. I don't know what the she's doing. I'm pissed the off right now.
Okay.
That's all I can tell you.
I got you. And what was said, because you told me earlier that you spoke with her, what did you guys talk about?
I told her I was leaving for a second. I'll be back. That's it.
And what did she say?
Okay.
She said okay?
Yeah.
All right. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you, and then we'll see about the whole letting you see her and all that, okay?
I need to drive over there.
I got you.
Like, this is my daughter.
Yeah, no, I got you. Just hang tight real quick, and then we'll work on that. Hey, where are you right now? I'm at my house. Where's your house? And I'm like, okay, how long you been there? She's like, yeah, I was asleep. Why? Is everything good? What's going on with my niece? I'm like, well, I guess there's a misunderstanding of who's supposed to be watching right now. And I said, just to make sure you don't live over here, right? And you made like, you're not agreed to...
Did she say that they live over here?
No, she says that she lives somewhere else.
Okay.
I'm like, you're, not basically, I'm like, so you don't live here, nothing like that. No, you weren't supposed to watch her. No. And I already got her on a statement saying that she spoke to Nicole, who I just talked to on the phone, and said, yeah, Nicole was here. And she said, yeah, I told her I was going out.
But that's a lie.
Yeah, we know it's a lie.
Okay.
You swear affirm the statement you're about to give is the whole truth, the truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay. Were you asked to watch your niece?
This is weird because me and my sister, we get into it almost every fucking
Yeah.
year. I cut her off.
Oh,
I
no.
blocked her again.
You did?
For the past couple of weeks, she's been blocked.
Oh, okay.
So when you called me saying that I was supposed to be watching her, I was confused, and you were like, miscommunication. I'm like, there's been no communication.
Ah, okay, no communication. Okay.
I didn't even know that she was here.
Okay.
Or here in general, because
Do you know whose house this is?
No, that's why. I've been here before. I visited when they were over here because she used to cook. My sister cooks and sells food.
Oh, okay.
And she uses it, but usually she rents like Airbnbs. So I always go to different houses with her while she cooks.
Okay. So you have never lived here?
No.
You've never stayed the night here?
No.
You haven't spoken to your sister at all?
No, but she texted me when we were off the phone and said if the cops call you, don't answer.
She said what now?
Off of a fake number.
Oh.
She texted me and said if the cops call...
Would you mind if I took a look? I don't want to get in your business, but I appreciate it. Okay. Is this grandma?
I think so. Yep. You just tell me to get...
All right.
He said house.
Ma'am, do you know who lives here?
She is Haitian. She can
She
barely
told me
understand
to
English.
go to Nicole to get
Oh, your sister called her to come get Kevin.
Yeah. I just got here. He called me here.
Yeah. Does she normally stay with you? Normally
Yeah,
stay with
always.
Always? Okay.
Grandma?
How?
Hey,
Grandma, I'm just here by myself.
okay, I'm here. I'm coming with you.
All right. We just gotta.
You're not going to school tomorrow?
You see my mom is here or not?
I don't know.
We gotta. Everybody's just gotta hang out. We just gotta figure out what the miscommunication was. Apparently, she was left here alone.
Grandma.
So we gotta figure out what's going on with that.
What is it?
Hey, that's a
It's a centipede.
Yeah.
It's one of those that has all the legs and it rolls into a little ball.
Oh, wake it up. It's waking up.
Yeah, it is now.
Let me see. No. I killed them. No.
What? You take your jaw.
No, he's gonna bite you. This one is not good to play with
That's
them.
not spiders.
Okay, I know.
And you're ridiculous, Terry. You're staring.
Come with me.
No, that's crazy.
Grandma will be taking the
That's a lie.
child to her house, not to the other house where the previous investigation was. So the child's not going to be with the
That's a lie.
possible suspect from the other
That's
case.
a lie.
You know where I'm coming from?
You lie for your kids.
Everybody's lying. Everybody in the whole world's lying, except for her. She's the only one being honest. This girl. She's talking to somebody. She's everybody else is lying. I'm serious. Dude, you hear listen to the phone call.
I can't right now.
Okay.
Can we just put handcuffs on her and get her out of here?
What I'll do, I'll go over there. I'll scooch out
We'll get Patterson.
black dress girl. We'll slap cuffs on her. Okay.
Cool.
All right.
That works.
Putting your damn self on the motherfucking phone. All you do is fucking lie.
Ma'am?
Put Kevin
You got
Mama
a
on the
second?
phone. I called
Hi.
Kevin Mama. Simple as
I'm
that.
Sergeant Robert Garrison, County
Stop
Sheriff's
playing your
Office.
goddamn
And you live around here?
I live right here.
All right. Now, do you ever babysit the baby or stuff like that?
I used to be her teacher back in the day,
Okay.
back in daycare, and I've known her for a while.
Okay.
Lie.
Hey,
You're
ma'am.
fucking delusional.
I just gotta take care of something. Do you mind? I know you got an important phone call, but we gotta.
Yeah, I'm on the phone with my daughter's grandma.
Okay. They're already over there, so we gotta put the phone down.
All right, what's up?
All right. And I just need to put your hands behind your back. Going to jail for child neglect. So go to set the phone down. When you tried to contact your sister, she couldn't get through because it was blocked, but we got the number that you tried to send her in, so just
That's
FYI.
not true.
I took a picture of it.
She don't got me blocked.
Okay. Well, we got the text message of her, you telling her not to talk to us, so I just want to let you know.
What? Can I get a sip of my drink? Make a phone call first?
Nope. No, you're going to make a phone call to jail. We're
No
not making phone
phone,
calls
no
tonight.
phone call?
No, not to jail. You can make plenty of phone
So
calls.
my sister can sit up
Nope.
there and take all
Ma'am,
these lies?
ma'am, this doesn't make this.
All these
Look,
lies?
check this out. Ready? No.
So my sister can make
Look at it.
all
We'll do it
these
again,
lies?
right?
Don't make it
No.
Yeah. Just get my purse. Get my phone.
Yeah, we'll just take her down there. Who's gonna go down here, man?
So what y'all doing with my daughter?
She's gonna go with a family member.
Yeah, her grandma, right?
Yeah. But that's all gonna be verified and okayed by DCF. So she's staying with us until DCF approves all this.
Yeah, I definitely didn't see you.
I just got here. Do you have anything on you?
No, just the money.
Okay, other than that?
No.
Nothing, okay.
I'm on probation. I haven't been to jail.
Okay.
My daughter is with her grandma, correct?
Yeah. I double check that to make sure, you know. You're welcome. So you have no property other than the money, right? All the other property you gave to your friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.